Hey there. Today we'll be doing today's Leetcode daily question, that is partitioning into minimum number of Deci binary numbers. And the question statement given is: a decimal number is called Deci binary if each of its digit is either 0 or 1 without any leading zeros. For example, 101, 1100 are Deci binary, while 112 and 3001 are not. And we just need to return the minimum positive decimary number that is needed that can sum up to n. So what do we mean by this question? So let's say we have a value that is 32, and how can we form 32? That is using these combinations, that is of 10, 11, and 11. Mind you, we are not actually using the binary representation. Okay, so what do I mean by that? I mean, let's say, what is the actual binary representation of, let's say, a smaller number? We could also take 32. So 32 is represented something like this, I guess. 8 and 1. So this is the binary representation of 32. That is what I think, I guess. Okay, so but this is not how you're gonna do it. Okay, so the question statement says that you just need to take some combinations of 1 0, okay, and make sure that sums up to 32. So what can you do? You can take 10, you can do 11, and you can do another 11, which will give you a 32. So that is how you're gonna do it. So how does this example give us the answer as 8? So let's see that. So if you just understand this example, the question statement and the approach might be very clear to you after just doing this example right here. So let's see how we're going to do it. So in order to do this thing, 82,734, what we can do is we could just take simply 1 2 3 4. So we can take 10,000, something like this. Okay, we are gonna take this number. After that, what we can see is that in this place, so let me just rewrite this so that this is clear. So at the final step, we need something like 8 2 7 3 and 4, right? So how many places do we fill? This is what your question should be. So in this place, the leftmost place, you need 8. Okay, 8 ones. So obviously I need 8 ones in order to get 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I can just fill up this, fine. After that, in this position, I need how many guys? I need 2 ones. So I can put those 2 anywhere. Let's say I put it here at the first only. Okay, so after that, everything will be followed by a 0, right? I hope you're following this. Since I just need a 2, I'm just trying to build up this. I need a 7, so how many ones do I need? I need obviously 7 ones, so I'll put 7 ones. This is done, and I can put just a 0. I need 3 ones in order to make 3, so 1 2 and 3. I'll take it and I'll put 0. And I hope the answer might have just clicked into your mind. If not, just continue and you'll get it. 1 2 3 and 4. This is how you're going to do it, and the rest will be completely 0. Okay, so what can we see from here? We see that whatever the maximum number was, that is 8, I needed that many, right? All the other, that is 2 7 3 4, can be actually formed somewhere within this 8, right? So how many digits do you need at max? You need at max 8 numbers in order to form this required number. So what is the possible answer? I guess you must have guessed it. Okay, so yes, the answer is you just have to find out whichever is the maximum digit in the number, that is your answer. And yes, that is the only thing that you need to do in this problem. Just have to find in the given string which is the maximum digit, and that will be your answer. Why so? Let's take another smaller example in order to prove this. So let's say I have something like a 2 and a 9, right? So if you have something like a 2 and a 9, can you fulfill this with 2 ones? Obviously you can fulfill it, but how many ones do you need in order to do this, that is form this 9? you need 9 ones, right? 1 2 3 4 and so on up till 9, right? And all the other digits from here can be 0, right? So just another example, just one more, so that it is very clear. So I need how many? Two, right? But how many do I need to make this? I need 3 ones. So I'll do this. And what can I put here? I can put here a 0, right? And see, you also did get 23 right here. And yeah, this is it in this approach. Now let's get to the code part. I hope obviously this is clear to you. Okay, so what you're gonna do here, just gonna check which is the maximum digit in this. Whatever the given string is, you just have to find the maximum digits, and the digits can be from obviously 1 to 9, nothing other than that. You just have to find whichever is the maximum digit. Take that and just return it after converting into a integer. That's it. That is what I've done simply. So I have taken a char. You could just simply do a conversion right here, like it minus the character 0. If you just do this, still you'll be getting the number only. Okay, you could just save this operation. You do not also have to convert this into integer again. But I did it anyways, so you can also do it in that way. And I've already submitted this code and this works perfectly fine. And I hope you have understood this explanation.